of institutions, please come on the stage and receive our prize from our honorable guest from Standard Nursery. Asi Dalai first, Mona Lisa Das second, Sheikh Aljan Hussain third, Nursery. Then LKG. Mirza Adan Beg first, Isantika Sahu second, Arya Subham Panda third. I would like to request all the officers please come on the dais for helping us in the distribution of award. Arya Subham Panda third, Saida Parveen third, Standard UKG first, Abu Bhaskar Khan second, Sayasa Priyadarshini Parida third, Standard 1, Aryadita Sahu first, Adrika Kar second, Sai Reasan Rao third, Anam Firdos third, Standard 2, Prakriti Jana first, Najia Parveen second, Mahin Mirza second, Ashutosh Malik third, Divyanshu Senda third. Now Standard 3 third. Ujjwal Khan Jena first, Elena Priyadarshini second, Jagruti Behura second, Tushar Ranjan Roy third. Then Standard IV, fourth standard, Divyanshi Sahu first, Muhammad Ibrahim Khan first, Durga Prasad Sahu second, Srivastava Sahu third. Standard 5, Jasmine Jahan first, Mukti Deepika Behra second, Janmay Naik third. Now Standard 6, Manosmita Ratha first, Anurag Mishra second, Subhrojit Jena second, Ayushman Das third, Rimalin Sahu third. Now Standard 7, Subha Sambhav Mishra first, Jigyasa Prusti second, Vishwa Vibhav Mishra third, Tanmay Kumar Parida third. Now Standard 8, Rajat Kumar Parida first, Sonakshi Senda first, Safia Khanam first, Pragrati Das first, Abigail Paul second, Sai Prakash Naik second, Lagnojit Das second, Debendra Jena third. And finally Standard 9, Subhendu Bhuiya first, Tanushree Priyadarshini second, Satyajit Behura third, Mirza Nasimuddin Beg third. Then the second recognize and reward for the sports categories, annual sports, that was held in the month of December in our St. Joseph of group of institutions. Some students of our school achieved and selected winner for receive the honorary recognition reward from our honorable chief guest speakers, secretary madam, founder and chairman sir, principal sir, and vice principal sir. This is the time I would like to call the name of the winners and champions. Kindergarten group boy Faisal Khan UKG, girl Ritu Parna Sahu UKG, champion of the annual sports 2024 that was held on in our school campus. Sub junior group boy Kamlesh Maharana standard 3, Aditya Samal standard 3, girl Rajeshwari Kamila standard 2. Now category of junior group boy Bignesh Adhikari standard 6, girl Bhanumati Rao standard 6. Senior group boy Faizan Khan standard 8, girl Elena Das standard 8. Super senior group champion list boy Bhagirathi Padi plus 2 second year, girls Nikita Pritam Ball plus 2 second year. And the most prestigious hard work, dedication, punctuality, honorary, dignitaries, and brilliance, excellence, etc. All the curricular and the co-curricular activities. So I would like to announce that the award, which is the most awarded and the interesting award among all the dignitaries and honoraries.
गोटे चालू बैटरी सर कहीं बेकार
I request all the dignitaries and honorary present in the meeting, please big hand for the winners and the achievers whose those were achievement in the field of athlete. Standard 8 class student Rajat Kumar Parida first, Sonakshi Senda first, Safia Khanna first, Pragrati Das first, Abhigel Bal second, Sai Prakash Nayak second, Lagnajit Das second, Devendra Jana third. ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତ ଅଭିଭାବକ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏବଂ ଛାତ୍ରଛାତ୍ରୀ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛି କୁନି କୁନି ପିଲାମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଜୀବନରେ ବହୁ କଳାକାରଣ୍ୟ ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ କରି ଚମ୍ପିଆନ ହୋଇଛନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଆୱାର୍ଡ ଜିତିଛନ୍ତି, ପୋଜିସନ ପାଇଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କରତାଳି ଦେଇ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ କରନ୍ତୁ। Very soon we are going to declare the most prestigious award in a student life during the academic session. So very soon that name will be announced. Our management and all the jury members selected, nominated as many as 7 student name for the Student of the Year Award 2024-25. But among them, one student has selected for the prestigious award. You must be was on the stage. That student, he will be and she will be say something about the school education system, cultural programs, co-curricular activities, etc., etc. And also one of the most attractive and the interesting award also provided to our foremost student of the school. He has pride and proud for our institutions. He got the rank in A grade in CBSE board examination and also in the government exam.
Annual sports champion.
Once again, I announce the annual sports champion name. Please come on the stage and collect your award from our guests. Kindergarten group boys, Faisal Khan, UKG. Girls, Rituparna Sahu, UKG. Sub-junior group boys, Kamlesh Maharana, Standard 3. Aditya Samal, Standard 3. Girls, Rajeshwari Kamila, Standard 2. Junior group boys, Vignesh Adhikari, Standard 6. Girls, Bhanumati Rao, Standard 6. Senior group boys, Faizan Khan, Standard 8. Girls, Elena Das, Standard 8. Plus 2 second year. Girls, Nikita Pitambal, plus 2 second year. Kamlesh Maharana, please come on the dais and receive your award. Kamlesh Maharana, Standard 3. समस्त चैंपियन को स्टेज ऊपर को आसिया पई आमंत्रण करूची. किंडरगार्टन ग्रुप बॉयज फैजल खान यूकेजी, गर्ल्स ऋतुपर्णा साहू यूकेजी. सब जूनियर ग्रुप कमलेश महाराणा स्टैंडर्ड 3, आदित्य सामल स्टैंडर्ड 3, गर्ल्स राजेश्वरी कामिला स्टैंडर्ड 2 एंड जूनियर. समस्त स्टाफ मानक अनुरोध करूची दया करी से माने स्टेज ऊपर को आसतु. I request to all the sir and miss please come on the stage. Junior group boys Vignesh Adhikari Standard 6, girls Bhanumati Rao Standard 6, senior group boys Faizan Khan Standard 8, girls Elena Das Standard 8, super senior group boys Bhagirath Padi plus 2 second year, girls Nikita Pitambal plus 2 second year. Champions of the annual sports of our Saint Joseph group of institutions. I would like to request all the champions please come on the dais. समस्त चैंपियन होइथिबा छात्र छात्री मानको मो निमंत्रण करूची से माने डाइस ऊपर को आसीबा पई चैंपियंस annual sports of St. Joseph Group of Institutions kindergarten group Faisal Khan standard UKG.
The students, those who are absent to receive championship award, they will be provided in the classroom by the class teacher. Don't mind. Those who are absent to receive the championship award, they will be provided in the classroom later on during class hour.
Sub junior group boys Kamlesh Maharana standard 3, Aditya Samal standard 3, girls Rajeshwari Kamila standard 2, junior group boys Bignesh Adhikari standard 6, girls Bhanumati Rao standard 6, senior group boys Faizan Khan standard 8, girls Elina Das standard 8, super senior group boys Bhagirathi Padi plus 2 second year, girls Nikita Pitambal plus 2 second year. समस्त मिस मानकु एवं सार मानकु अनुरोध करूची से माने स्टेज ऊपर को आसन फोटो उठा कार्यक्रम चालू रहइबो अनुरोध करा जाउची से माने पुरस्कार प्रदान उत्सव रे अंशीदार होतु Kamlesh Maharana standard 3, Aditya Samal standard 3, please come on the stage. Kamlesh Maharana standard 3, Aditya Samal standard 3, champion of the annual sports.
वेरी वेरी मु कहि दे देखि देबे टिके लेखा है जी ये देखि कहि दबा देखि दो ना बेसी वेरी वेरी गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीवन एंड कोच तोंटी पड़ जाय से और केते एत्तिकी कहबा बेसी किछि कहबानी हला एत्तिकी कहबा वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम एंड मेनी मेनी कंग्रेचुलेशन ऑन दिस वंडरफुल इवनिंग बस सइला एटा पिक्चर को
Now the most awaited and the interesting prize ceremony and the pride and honor of the institutions that is goes to one of the student of the school. Now I am going to announce the student of the year prize. Student of the year prize. She is none other than one of the lovable students, punctuality, sincere dedication, hard work, and the source of inspiration. She is none other than Program Priyadarsini Rao of Standard 9. Please begin for the student. Program Priyadarsini Rao of Standard 9. Student of the year. I would like to request, please come on the stage if you are present, the parents of Program Priyadarsini Rao. ମୁଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ପ୍ରିୟଦର୍ଶିନୀ ରାଉତଙ୍କର ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟଙ୍କୁ ଯଦି ସେ ଏଠାରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥାନ୍ତି ଦୟାକରି ଏକ ସୁନେରା ପାତ୍ର ଚଷମା ପିନ୍ଧବା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ଲିଜ କମ୍ ଅନ୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟେଜ। प्रोग्राम प्रियदर्शनी राव पेरेंट्स को अनुरोध करूची दया करी से स्टेज ऊपर को आसो। अनुरोध करुचे प्रोग्राम प्रियदर्शिनी राउत कर पेरेंट्स को से मंच ऊपर को आसिया पाई बिग हैंड फॉर द पेरेंट्स एंड द स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर। प्लीज बिग हैंड फॉर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड सेरेमनी। The most prestigious award in the student life, that is Student of the Year 2024-25, Program Priyadarsini Raut of Standard 9. Please big hand for this achievement. समस्त अभिभावक मान को स्टूडेंट मान को स्टाफ मान को अनुरोध करुची एक सफलतम पुरस्कृत प्रतियोगी को करताली दे संबर्धना ज्ञापन करंतु। Now our institution decided to also rewarded one of the foremost student of our school. He is none other than Pradipta Kumar Singh. I would like to request, please come on the stage. Former student of the school, Standard 10 2023 batch. He has secured 91% of mark in these rural areas of the school, and also qualified in the JEE government examination in Odisha government in previous year. So big hand for that student Pradipta Kumar Singh.
First of all, I want to wish all of you a miraculous evening. I feel deeply acknowledged and overwhelmed with emotions to have received this award. I feel very nostalgic while I stand by here. I want to convey my deep gratitude to the chairman and the founder of our school, Mr. Abhimanyu sir, and our principal sir, Mr. Purnachandra sir. I also want to thank our vice principal sir and my class teachers who have commended me with all their knowledge and all their love and affection, which has pushed me towards my limits and my goals. I also want to thank all the non-teaching staffs and the staffs which have led a very beautiful path to the campus. At the end, I want to say that just focus on your path and respect all your teachers and follow their commands, and you will succeed in life in a most beautiful way. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much for your valuable time for our function. Now, the speech will be given by our most prestigious award winner, Pragya Priyadarshini Raut of Standard 9, Student of the Year.
Honorable Principal and President of the Annual Day Celebration Meeting, esteemed Chief Guest, Chief Speaker, Vice Principal, Founder and Chairman of the school, Secretary Madam, teachers of the school, guardians and parents present here, and my dear brothers and sisters. I first bow down in reverence before you to seek your blessings to lead me in the right path in the ups and downs of life. I also express my deep gratitude because the school authority has found me deserving for this covetous award, the Student of the Year. Myself, Pragya Priyadarshini, a student of class 10th. I stand here to share my view about my school, my alma mater. I got admitted in this school in class nursery in the year 2013. So far, I have spent 13 years in this school. During these years, I have a beautiful experience about it. My teachers have taught, nurtured, and educated me to come to this stage. It is only for my teachers I have stood here to speak before you. It is said that parents bring down a child from heaven to earth, but it is teachers who elevate the child from earth to heaven. Life is a challenge. An individual has to face these challenges in the ups and downs of life. My teachers have nurtured, educated, and me come to this stage. School is my second home and teachers are my second parents. Their love, affection, and sometimes punishment teaches us the human values of life. In this school, I find so many friends. Many times I play with them, but at times I also fight with them. After a few seconds, we forget our enmity and again play as friends. Occasions like Ganesh Puja, Saraswati Puja, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Annual Sports, Sarala Mela, and Science Exhibition are observed in our school with pomp and ceremony. But the most attractive and sought after day is the Annual Day celebration. All of us wait for this day with eager enthusiasm and excitement. These are the occasions when we come out of the boredom and monotony of classroom teaching and get opportunity to relax in the fresh air. The psychological barrier between the students and the teachers breaks down and we come closer together. In my view, my school is the best school in this area. When I sit silently and think about my school, many sweet memories flash before my eyes like the pictures of a movie. At last, I have a few words for my fellow brothers and sisters. Friends, student life is the formative and most important period of life. Student life once gone will never come back. So do not allow this period to go waste by indulging in unnecessary pursuits. At the end, I again seek your blessings and conclude my speech. Namaskar.
Thank you so much for your valuable time, and you got experience about our schools from the classroom situation, and also you represent of the school's quality of teaching. Thank you so much, Pragya Priyadarshini, Student of the Year of Standard 9.